Hi, I'm Andrew Yacyshyn, employment attorney at Tannenbaum Halpern. Today I'm going to briefly discuss recent regulations regarding the use of payroll debit cards as a method of wage payment. Earlier this year, a New York appellate court upheld regulations issued by the New York Department of Labor regarding the use of payroll debit cards. Now, these are essentially just debit cards that employers use to pay employee wages. So instead of issuing a paper check or paying employees by direct deposit, employees essentially get a prepaid debit card that they can use to access their wages. It's a common form of wage payment by hospitality employers, such as restaurants and bars, and it's a great way for employers to pay employees who do not have bank accounts. But with these regulations now in effect, there are a number of onerous rules that employers need to comply with. For one, employers need to give their employees a written notice that sets forth certain specific information regarding payroll debit cards. Employers also need to provide or to obtain employees' consent to the use of payroll debit cards as a method of wage payment. And after obtaining their consent, they need to wait 7 business days before actually making the first payment by pay card. And this 7-day period serves as a time within which an employee can revoke their consent. Employees also need to be given or be provided facilities or ATM machines that are in a reasonable proximity to their workplace or residence where they can withdraw their wages free of charge. And there are also prohibitions on various fees that can be charged to employees who are using payroll debit cards. So these are just some of the many requirements that employers need to comply with. Given these regulations are now in effect and that there can be significant penalties against employers for wage payment violations, companies need to be sure that they're complying with these regulations. Thank you.